an 8-inch tail, and then if I want to cut it shorter, I will. I'm going to pinch in the center, and then in the bow maker, I'm going to go ahead and twist it so that the front of the ribbon is facing up on this side on the tail, and then this is the back side of the ribbon. I'm going to do a 5-inch loop on both sides. The next ribbon is going to be the 2.5. I am going to dovetail this one, and then I'm going to make the tail about the same length. I'm going to twist it in the center. And then for this one, I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, so about 4.5. Here's what it looks like with that one, and that honestly looks great right there. You could certainly just do that. But I'm gonna do 2 patterns, and I really like these ones together because I feel like I guess it's plaid, I don't really know, but you know, the pattern and the eggs kind of mimics the plaid on here, so hopefully they look nice together. If not, then I can change it. You can always fix it and change it. So for this one, I'm going to do a little bit smaller, so about 4 inches. And then I'm going to add some yellow in here. I think I'll make this one 4 inches also. Slip it in. I love it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Here it is with the sign and bow attached.